Guys, let's talk about more about the gross profit and cost of goods sold when we find 3 marks question in your exams relating to this topic. Here is a given situation where it's asked us to calculate gross profit and cost of goods sold when net sales are given to you and gross profit is mentioned as 25% of cost of goods sold. In the last video, I have discussed about what is cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold plus gross profit always gives you a calculation for net sales, right? So here in the question, the gross profit is asked from us. When the situation is given like this, what we have to take is we will take in the given question the GP as the first value, that is given 25%, right? So what is the GP in this question? We will presume it to be 25 and percentage that would become the value for your cost of goods sold. So as I said, cost we will consider 100 when GP is given 25. Now as per the formula, cost plus GP is your sales gives you 125 value because cost is added with your GP to calculate the sales. So this was the situation if, but actually we are provided net sales for rupees 4,50,000. What is the actual value? We don't have cost, we don't have GP, we have only the value of the sales, that is 4,50,000. Now from your previous classes you very well know, if for the given two values one value is missing, we can calculate the another one from here. Let's see, if I take GP as to be 25, sales as to be 125 and actual sales 4,50,000, and I want to calculate my actual GP, how we can do this? That is by cross multiplying. So 125 here multiplied by GP value and 4,50,000 would be multiplied by 25. So we can say to calculate actual GP, 4,50,000 into 25 divided by 125. What is the value of the GP here is 90,000 rupees. If the actual GP is of 90,000, then what would be the value of the cost here? So that is sales minus GP, that will give you a value for your cost. Sales, this GP will come here, minus GP will become the value of your cost, and the cost here is 3,60,000 rupees. There is one another way out through which we can solve this question also. That is, when the question is saying GP is 25% on cost of goods sold, if 20 by 100 is taken over here, 25 by 100, it becomes 1 by 4. As I told you, we were taking 25 as GP and 100 as cost. So now GP is 1 and cost is 5. So if GP is 1 by 4 on cost, then GP on sales would be cost plus GP, right? So it would be 1 by 5. How we are taking it? If our GP was 1 by 4 on cost, this was 4 was cost, and if I want to make this cost as to be sales, then cost plus GP becomes sale. Now here we have cost plus GP. So here the value becomes 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, right? So it is 1 by 5 on sales now. So you can have 1 by 5 on sales, that is 1 by 5 of sales, GP is 90,000 here. So this is the alternate method through which you can calculate your cost as well as your gross profit. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share and subscribe my channel.